Hello mga kabilang! Welcome to our journey! What are we going today, love?
Today we are going to my brother's house, and we're going to celebrate the 4th of July, Independence Day here on the 27th, because he's got other things going on the 4th.
Yeah, his
of
brother.
July. So we are deciding to do it as a family today, which is okay.
Yeah.
And we're going to have some fireworks, hamburgers, and maybe some ice cream or cookies or something. So just some family time, and we'll be heading out there, and we want you to come along with us.
Yeah, but we'll try to take a good videos for you guys. So they're kind of private people. So yeah, see you later.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
We're feeding a catfish. Yeah, they have a lot of catfish here, guys, and they are so big. Yeah, but I bet they don't taste good anymore. Yeah, we have food over here. There's a bunch of food here. Catfish are so happy, right?
Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Mga kabilang, nandito kami ngayon sa pabilihan ng fireworks kasi nga bibili pa yung kapatid ni David. Ayan, ako lang mag-isang babae dito mga kabilang, tapos yung mga pamangkin ni David nandito din.
Babe, look at your brother. He laugh at you. Properly, video ko na may ito, No, nothing, love.
fireworks nila mga kabilang, mayroon siyang barcode. Ayan, i-scan mo lang. Tapos mayroon siyang demonstration kung anong fireworks yung bibilhin mo. Kung gusto mo ba yung fireworks na bibilhin mo o hindi. Ayan.
You like that?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Ang Independence Day ng Amerika mga kabilang ay July 4. Ayan, so 10 days or maybe more or less than 10 days. Ayan, may pa-set up na sila. Kahit saan dito sa Amerika mayroon kayong makikitang fireworks booth. Ayan, so yung mga Amerikano dito sila bumibili ng mga fireworks nila. Yung iba kasi na karamihan talaga sa kanila hindi nagpapaputok sa December kasi nga malamig. Ayan, so ngayon na Independence Day, so parang ito yung time nila na magpaputok. Ayan, kaya big day ito sa kanila kasi parang family gathering na din para sa kanila. Mga kabilang, ito ay ang fireworks igniter system. Ito yung ginagamit nila para sunod-sunod yung paputok ng kanilang fireworks at para naman makapagparelax sila habang nanonood ng fireworks. Mayroon itong remote control mga kabilang. So, by number ito. Depende kung gaano kadami yung fireworks na isi-set up mo. Ayan. So, uupo ka lang, pindutin mo lang yung number na gusto mong ipaputok. Kaya napaka-safe gamitin mga kabilang. Thank you so much mga kabilang, and if you enjoy our vlog, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you so much mga kabilang. See you in our next one. Bye bye.